method invoker, everything you can have it in this format.
So for each and every event I have to create a class, a map class.
Map class, yeah. Not you can do everything in a particular map class, or you can separate it for your better encapsulation. Yeah.
But here, say map listener is having only one event.
Yeah, each and every event you should map which function has to be called in that event, or which object has to be initialized. Remote object invoker is called here.
Okay, so all the events I can put in a
Yes, in the same map file. Sorry, flex. Adams map. So this is how. So when the flex pre-initialize is called, the task service is being invoked. Control the task service. Yeah. So the task service is this one, remote object, and the server endpoint and AMF PHP or whatever you can initialize whatever you want. Go back. Home. Yeah. And in this, the result is handled on user parser. User parser converts the output from the server into value objects, that is user in your application. Mouse note. So this method, this particular method with result object is being called of the user parser class. And when application is complete, flex application complete, this event being fired with the task service. Same way, every function, every class with the method name and the arguments to be passed to that method. So this way we can do everything.
Where you are handling the result you are getting from the service, right?
Yeah, this is handling the result handler. Here you also can have a fault handler. And there is an object builder which builds in authorization manager with the scope being dispatched to that. Go to next event map. Main mode map. Yeah. So this is a simple the same event map, but this fills up the view with the output from the task manager. The task manager is being filled up with the output of server, and it is ready with the task manager. It has to be filled to the view task detail. So injector is called for filling the views. The task detail view is filled with the source key task with selected task as the target key. Same way, this is task detail is when user is selecting a particular task, that particular task has to be shown. It is showing the detail of the task view. And again, this is the list of tasks. Okay, so on the list of tasks, it has to be filled with list of tasks. There is a data grid over there which has to be filled with the list of tasks. You are giving the task list from the same source task manager and being filling the tasks. Task is a go to the task list. Here. So here we have the tasks as array collection. This array collection is being filled over there. So this is how a simple way of developing a project with use of mate framework.
Flow architecture diagram is there?
Sorry?
Flow architecture
I haven't prepared for that. It, um, go back to the presentation. Next one. Yeah, this one. So this is what I have for the max, and I just want to say there is nothing difference between Cancom and this. Only thing, you don't have the front controller which maps the events to the command. Here, no need of the command as the event is being directly mapped to the execute method of the command. Whatever execute has to be doing, you can write it in the tag based MXML. Any questions?
Is it provided by Hadoop?
No. It is being by AS Fusion. You saw the name, right? From a company called AS Fusion.
Do you have the plugin also like that for
Yeah.
library or
Yes. There is a SWC, or you can use a source files as I have used. And also there are a lot of frameworks coming up. Spring, you know the Spring themselves are developing a AS3 framework, that is Prana framework previously known. Now they are converting it as their own framework. It is Spring Action Script framework, and it is pretty extensive, and it is nice to play with that. And the main application of mate is the dependency injection and the tag based model. That's the main application, and there are Parsley, and Parsley is also available, which is also using the dependency injection model.
Spring Action Script for Flex platform?
Yes, only for AS3, not for the Flex. Flex and Flash, different. Yeah, but the AS3 is the base programming language used for both, and they are developing for the AS3. Used for anything, yeah. Any questions? No, this is just to, we have planned for a somewhat advanced level of discussion, and we just want to make the community to be introduced to the available things that will help the community for better perspective. That's it. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
There is a